Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at JSON in Python. So JSON is actually a method to store and transport data in a particular format. So JSON contains strings that are written in a certain way that looks like a dictionary in Python and can also be converted to and from different data structures in Python, right? So to use the JSON data type, the first thing that we need is to import the JSON package, right? And after that we need to define a Python dictionary. Like let's suppose we have a dictionary and we need to store that in a JSON format. So what we do is we define a dictionary. myDict is equal to open and closed curly braces, say name, and it's the name, and let's say age, and the age is something random, and yes, so we have ourselves a Python dictionary. Now what we need to do is we need to convert this dictionary into a JSON format, right? So for that we have the function JSON dot dumps, right? So dumps of object. So what object am I giving? I'm giving the object as the dictionary, right? So x is equal to json.dumps. Now x is my JSON object, right? So we'll run this and make sure there's no error. Yes, there is no error, and I will print the x here so that we know how the JSON format is stored. Yes, so as you can see, once I give the json.dumps of the dictionary, it is stored as this JSON file, right? So basically JSON looks very similar to dictionaries in Python, but JSON files can be downloaded, shared, and again read back into different types of data structures in Python, right? So now we saw that we've taken a dictionary and converted it into a JSON, and yeah, I will print the type of x here. So once you convert it into a JSON file, we have a JSON string, right? So this dictionary is now a JSON string, and you can also do the same thing in reverse, right? So you can take a JSON string, that x is now a JSON string, and I will say my dictionary 2 is equal to JSON dot. Okay, so now if I have to convert to JSON, I use dumps, and if I have to convert from JSON, I use the function loads, right? So inside loads I need to give the string. The string is x here, right? And I will comment this out. I don't need this as of now, so I've saved this, clear the output, and I'm running it. Okay, so there is no error now, so we'll print mydict2 and we'll see how it works. Close this, run it again. Yes, as you can see, now the dictionary has become a dictionary back, right? And just to confirm that, I will go to type of, right? So type of dictionary 2. I will print this. I will save, clear the output, and I'll run this. As you can see, now it's no longer a JSON string. Now we have converted the JSON string to a dictionary, right? I hope you understood everything in this video. So before we leave, we'll see one more example of a different data type, right? So now we saw dictionary, and now I'm going to do the same with a different data type. Let's say I have a list, right? So my list is equal to, and I'll open and close. Here I have, let's say, apple, comma, banana. Okay, so I'll save this, and now I will convert this into my JSON string, right? So what function that we'll be using? We will be using the JSON dot dumps of my list. Now obviously we can't expect the same kind of output like when we used a dictionary, right? So this will be a little different. Now I will print it. Okay, so we have apple and banana. Now this JSON is in the form of a string, right? So now if I give type of, I will get a string, type of X, print. Now I will save this, clear the output, and I'll run it again. I'm getting a string, right? So we have converted a list into a JSON string, and I'll do the same in the reverse manner. So I'll print JSON dot loads of X, and as you can see, I'm getting apple and banana, right? So I hope you understood how to use JSON, and the reason why we use JSON is because it's a very effective method to convert one type of data to another and to store and transport data as well, right? So I hope you understood, and thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.